What you're looking at is the 2026 GMC Double Decker Motorhome, and this thing completely changes what people expect from an RV. This isn't just big, it's two full levels of rolling luxury built on heavy-duty GMC engineering. From the outside, the height alone makes a statement. The extended dual-level body design, panoramic upper deck windows, massive grille presence, and wide all-terrain stance give it a commanding road profile. It doesn't blend in, it dominates highways. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Double Decker Motorhome is powered by a high-output turbo diesel engine engineered for heavy loads and long-distance touring. Diesel fuel provides strong torque for smooth highway cruising and confident hill climbs, even with a fully equipped two-story cabin. Advanced suspension tuning and reinforced chassis architecture ensure stability despite its towering structure. But the real story begins inside. Step into the lower level and you're greeted with a full luxury lounge. Plush leather seating, integrated entertainment wall, premium surround sound, and panoramic side windows create a private mobile penthouse atmosphere. Ambient LED lighting and premium materials elevate the space beyond traditional RV standard. The lower level also houses a fully equipped chef-style kitchen, residential refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in oven, microwave, solid surface countertops, and intelligent storage compartments make extended travel effortless. Every inch is optimized for both function and luxury. Now the upper deck is where things get serious. Upstairs, you'll find a private master suite with a king-size bed, custom cabinetry, soft indirect lighting, and wide viewing windows that turn any parking spot into a scenic retreat. Some configurations even include a second lounge or workspace on the upper level, making it ideal for full-time living or luxury road touring. The bathroom features a full walk-in shower, modern vanity, premium fixtures, and smart water management systems for efficient off-grid operation. Insulation and climate control systems are designed to maintain comfort across both levels in any season. Fuel capacity is expanded to support long-distance touring, and with diesel efficiency paired with a large tank, this motorhome is built for serious cross-country travel. As for pricing, the 2026 GMC Double Decker Motorhome is expected to start around $1.6 million depending on interior customization, technology packages, and layout configurations. This isn't just transportation. It's a two-story luxury residence engineered to move. The 2026 GMC Double Decker Motorhome delivers space, power, and prestige in one extreme package. Would you live in this full-time or use it for luxury road trips? Comment your choice below, hit like if this impressed you, and subscribe for more insane automotive builds you won't see anywhere else.